case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 1998 case heard by the Louisiana Supreme Court in Re Howard Marshall Charitable Remainder Annuity Trust focused on the jurisdiction for the distribution of a trust's income after a person's death. The case involved the succession of J. Howard Marshall II, who had left money in two Louisiana-based trusts. The court ultimately concluded that Louisiana did not have the authority to manage the case. The disagreement arose over whether a charitable trust was legally responsible for paying pledges that Mr. Marshall had made to two colleges. The trustee of the trust argued that these payments were not mandatory, while the colleges argued that they should receive the funds. Before his death, Mr. Marshall had placed his personal assets into several inter vivos trusts, transferring the majority of his wealth to the living trust. The charitable trust, created to fund his charitable donations, was funded by an interest-bearing note that Mr. Marshall's son, E. Pierce Marshall, paid. Both trusts name Mr. Marshall as an income beneficiary, authorizing the trustee to access the trust's corpus or principal if needed for income streams. The dispute centered on the distribution of the charitable trust's principal, with the trust agreement stating that after Mr. Marshall's death, the principal should be distributed among three charitable organizations. The court held that the district court's decision to grant jurisdiction to Louisiana was incorrect and remanded the case for further proceedings. The trustee was not legally obligated to pay Mr. Marshall's pledges to the colleges, who could pursue unpaid balances from his estate.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.